Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the UHC card on Amazon. Okay, now first what I need you to do is check your Ucard balance and eligibility. You can do this on the UHC website or the UHC app. Just check your balance and see if your UHC funds are eligible for online purchases. You want to look for OTC benefits or healthy benefits if your Ucard is part of the over-the-counter program. All right. Then what I want you to do is go to Amazon's UHC store. Right? Open up Amazon on your phone or computer and just search, United Healthcare Ucard store or visit Amazon's Ucard page. Okay. So this is an example. So I've searched this up and there we go. You are seeing items here that are eligible. As you can see, they're also FSA or HSA eligible, right? You can shop for these items. These are just examples I'm showing you right now. So, you'll basically see things like vitamins, health items, and medical supplies. And what you need to do is just go ahead and add an item to your cart. Just select the eligible products you want to buy and then tap on Add to Cart to proceed to checkout. And at checkout, what you want to do is you want to select Add a payment method, right? So you just choose Add a credit or debit card. And then what you do now is you enter your Ucard number, the expiration date, and CVV, just like you would with any other debit card, and save this as a payment method, okay? Then you just go ahead and complete your purchase, all right? You select your Ucard as the payment method, and if Ucard doesn't cover the full payment, you can also use a secondary payment option, right? Just go ahead and top that up, place the order, finalize the purchase. It's really that easy and simple though. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.